In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Draw.io for Confluence Cloud. We'll start right inside Confluence and move step by step so you can confidently crop any image in your diagrams. Begin by creating a new page in Confluence. Once you're on the page editor, use the quick command to add a diagram by typing a / followed by the word draw. This opens the macro menu where you'll choose the option that inserts a new Draw.io diagram. Confluence will then display the template picker. Select the basic category, choose blank diagram, and click Create. This opens the Draw.io editor in your page so you can start working. Now insert an image into your diagram. You can drag and drop a file directly onto the canvas or use the insert controls in the editor to bring in an image from your computer or another source. Once the image appears on the canvas, you're ready to crop. To crop the image, right-click it to open the context menu, then select Crop. A crop rectangle will appear around the image. You'll see handles on the corners and sides of the crop box. Drag these handles to resize the box and position it over exactly the area you want to keep. Take a moment to zoom in if you need precision and align the crop box with the key content you want to highlight. If you want a different crop shape, the crop dialog gives you two helpful options. Choose ellipse to create a circular or oval crop, great for avatars or emphasis, or choose rounded to give your rectangular crop soft, rounded corners. Adjust the crop box again if needed so the shape frames your subject cleanly. When everything looks right, click Apply to finalize the crop. The image on your canvas will update immediately to reflect the change, and the crop becomes part of your diagram, so you can move, resize, or style the cropped image like any other object. If you change your mind or want to revert to the original image at any point, open the crop dialog again and click Reset. This restores the full uncropped image without losing your placement in the diagram. That's all there is to it. Create a new page, add a Draw.io diagram, insert your image, right-click to crop, adjust the area and shape, then apply. Use Reset whenever you need to start over. With these steps, you can keep your diagrams clean, focused, and visually polished right inside Confluence Cloud.